Crazy pastels on this one. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 97 Plus Racer Pink. So the Air Max 97 Plus is a hybrid shoe of the Air Max 97 and the Air Max Plus. There's the Air Max 97 Plus, which is this shoe, which has the Air Max Plus upper and the Air Max 97 midsole and outsole. And then there's the Air Max Plus 97, which is the Air Max 97 upper with the Plus outsole. And what Nike's been doing is releasing the two shoes as kind of like a pack with every colorway release. So we had the Mica Green colorway come out about a month or two ago. We had the Air Max 97 Plus and the Air Max Plus 97, both in Mica Green colorways. And this is accompanied by the Air Max Plus 97 Racer Pink. Now let's take a look at the box. The box is a black Nike box, but what's different about this is that this is a slide out box, which I always love slide out boxes. Like, you could slap a slide out box on it and instantly I'm just like, ooh, like the quality of a shoe automatically becomes just a little bit higher if you bring out a slide out box. I don't know why, it just does something for me. And the color code is Racer Pink and Hyper Magenta. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features the Air Max Plus upper. So you've got a Racer Pink upper with the Air Max Plus overlays going around the shoe. You got a Hyper Magenta toe box with the pink panel on the toe cap, and these are not 3M. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a black mesh tongue with a turquoise Nike swoosh on the tongue tag, but the tongue tag is 3M. You got a black insole with a hyper turquoise Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got the divider between the midsole and the upper, and you also have an embossed pink Nike swoosh right here. Moving towards the heel, you've got the Nike swoosh, and you've got this hyper magenta back tab. On the medial, you've got the same hyper magenta panel wrapping around the shoe, as well as the hyper pink upper and the overlays and Nike swoosh, both in hyper pink. Lastly, this shoe has a bright orange midsole with the fully exposed Nike Air unit and the orange outsole. First of all, this shoe is extremely, this shoe is really bright. Like, for summer tones, this shoe is gonna fit right in. It reminds me kind of like a sherbet colorway, except it's, more purple instead of orange. In comparison to the Air Max Plus 97, I think I like that shoe a little bit more than the Air Max 97 Plus. I was actually surprised this wasn't a women's exclusive. Like, this is a men's size 10.5, not a women's 12, but a men's 10.5. But overall, it's a solid shoe. It's just really bright. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. 97 Plus Racer Pink hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 10th for a retail price of $175. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.